Akbaruddin OIC sir.
Sir, through you, I thank the Honorable Minister for accepting that there are vacancies and also these vacancies will be filled. But sir, my submission through you is that, sir, GOMS number 65 dated 22/7/2002 was issued for upgradation of 37 upper primary schools into high schools by opening class 8 in Urdu medium, sir. Sir, in spite of upgrading the schools, the posts are not being filled and the school is upgraded but running on the same teaching staff pattern which was before the school got upgraded, sir. So my request through you to the minister is, please fill this vacant post at the earliest, because this would not serve the purpose of the upgradation of the schools without the post being filled. Sir, secondly, sir, there is a stay by the Supreme Court on GOMS number 538. I would like to know, through you to the Honorable Minister, when will the government take initiatives to vacate the stay of the Supreme Court? And also, recently, Honorable Minister had promised that she'll also get a presidential order, which is a prerequisite for the process of recruitment, transfer and promotion to restart. So, what has been done in this process and in this regard, sir? Third, sir, vacancies are notified following the rule of reservation, sir. And the posts for OC category only are getting filled. But those reserved for SC, STs, BCs are still lying vacant. These vacancies are getting accumulated and they are not thrown open to general category after specific period. So through you, I would like to request to the Honorable Minister to please open this, which was held up because of, for the category of SC, STs and BCs, sir, so that this can be taken up, sir. Sir, and the main reason for the dropout of the students is because of the less teaching staff, sir. And, sir, just in the city of Hyderabad, in Charminar Mandal, the total posts approved are 227, teachers working are 92, and the vacant posts are 83. In Golconda, post approved 125, teachers working 111, and vacant is 14. Bahadurpura, post approved 480, teachers working 292, and vacant is 188. Saidabad, 140, post approved, teachers working 113, 27 are vacant. And again in Asif Nagar also, 230 posts has been approved, teachers working 117, and vacant is 52, sir. Sir, and lastly, sir, in PET, sir, physical education, in Urdu school, sir, Urdu PET posts are being allotted by the Telugu PET post, sir. And the Urdu PET who had qualified the examinations are not asked to apply, and a notification is also not issued. And these posts are left vacant, and the vacancies are filled by PET of Telugu, sir. Like there are so many specific cases in Kurnool and Hyderabad city also, sir.
Yes.
So I would like to request the Honorable Minister to please fill this PET post of Urdu by Urdu teachers who have qualified and passed the examination, sir. And also opening this SC/ST vacancies, sir, and regarding the vacating of the stay and the presidential order and upgradation posts which are vacant.
Yes, Minister Garu.